Before we continue our series on the topic of abortion, we need to address a common response to any Christian who speaks on this issue, that we are just pushing our religious views onto others. But is abortion really just a religious issue? In the last episode, we narrowed in on what needs to be the key focus of the abortion debate, that human life begins at the moment of conception as proven by science. This immediately takes the issue out of the realm of religion and into the realm of human rights. Do humans have rights, or don't they? I'm sure most people would agree that you don't have to be a Christian to believe in universal human rights. In fact, there are many people of different religions and no religion alike who advocate for the pro-life position, which can be argued on purely scientific and philosophical grounds. In America, there is a secular pro-life society which does exactly this, recognizing that just as laws to protect killing a 5-year-old are not religious, laws to protect killing a 5-week-old are not religious either. I'm not pro-life just because the Bible says so, or because I've been told to be. I'm pro-life because all the evidence points to it being the far more logically consistent, humane, and reasonable position. Keep following along to hear some of the reasons why you can be confidently pro-life, regardless of your religious convictions. I'm Becky Gillespie from Thinking Matters, and this has been your Thought for the Week. For more reasons to believe, visit thinkingmatters.org.nz.